So in this video, I'll show you how to redeem credits on Cnfans. So to get started, all you have to do now, after you open up the Cnfan on your mobile phone or on your browser, just go and find the product you want to buy. So with your credit, so I'll just tap on this. So I'll go with this jeans. I want to buy this trouser, this jeans. So let me find the product that's available. I'll go, let's say, with this shit. So let's say I go with this one. After you find the product, go and tap on this share button under the product to copy the product code. So tap on this share button. Now I copy the product code. So after you copy the product link like this, now go back. Now tap on your go back again. So and tap on your profile at the bottom right side. So from this option, now tap on this credit. If you have enough credit, after you come to this option, you'll be able to see your balance and tap on this redeem product. After you tap on this redeem product, now enter the link that you copy, the product link. So after you enter the product link like this now, so the product code is at 12 letters. All you have to do now, just go ahead and delete all the letters behind. So just go ahead and delete all letters behind until you come to this option where it says platform. So under behind the platform, there is numbers. So leave the numbers behind the platform. So it started from the 6 and it will end from this, as you can see now, this equality sign. So delete all the numbers behind. So as you can see now I extracted the product code. So after you extract the product code from the product link that you copy, so here at top in the top letters, that's the product code. So just tap on this redeem button. If you have enough credit, it will now allow you to use your credit to buy or to purchase product on your Cnfan account. And that's it, guys.